Kyle Mohan Racing twin turbo FD3S. I figured it was time for a little bit of a recap and some updates on one of our long-term projects. So we put this car together in 2017 for SEMA. I love the Mazda RX7 FD3S. It's probably one of my favorite cars of all time. So when I set out to build this car, I knew as a rotary guy, I had to build this wild. So the BN Sports kit, the wheels, a lot of the build, I just knew if I was going to build an RX7, I had to put all the parts that I really wanted on the car into the car. So with the engine build, pretty much, tried to go pretty much all out. Nice twin disc XD clutch, half bridge KMR porting, same template that I sell on the website. So if anybody's wanting that BRAP, same template. But with the turbo setup, I was definitely not going stock. I didn't want single. I wanted big twins. Throwback to the JDM twin turbo setups. You know, I grew up watching those option videos, Drift Tenguko, and I felt like I had to pay homage to what the FD3S originally was. A twin turbo 1.3 liter awesome car. So we just had to go big with it. And you can see right there was a lot of fabrication, engineering, Haltech ECU, Mishimoto twin oil coolers. We ended up going V-mount with the setup, CX Racing intercooler, and a lot of just hand fabrication. Big brake system, WP Pro, energy seats, and a lot of help from Mastermind and Mazda Tricks to really acquire not only the OEM parts necessary, but the JDM parts that I wanted. As we got closer to the end of the build, we took the car to SEMA. We even did some other shows. It's been to IMPA in New York, which is up in Monticello. I think I said that wrong, but it was a pretty cool show. We hung out with American Ethanol and did some great stuff. Since then, we've been working on the car. It was time for this wrap. Make sure to follow Kyle Mohan Racing, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, KMR porting templates available on the website. Get that BRAP. Come out to Formula Drift.